Good afternoon to everyone. We are going to see the knee type horizontal milling machine for this per gear cutting. Okay, just we can see the machine's process. So this is base of the machine. This is column head, motors,
arbor mount the arbor support cutter
okay. This is harbor and harbor support, and the mount is used to more fixed inside the harbor, okay, for cutting the gear. Okay, so this is headstock indexing head and a 3-jaw chuck tailstock. Okay, movements. So you can see the movements. So this is long tail movement. It is used to workpiece is kept in the headstock. We can rotate from the long tail movement. Okay, this is table movement, and this is for the up and downward movement. Cross slide. This is for cross slide. You can able to see the cross slide of the mechanism, and this is table up and downward movement table for the gear cutting operations. This is speed change index wheel. Okay, so now we can go for the experiment. Now we are going to fix the workpiece. So from the lathe operation, we reduce the inner dia and outer dia. So we are going to fix the workpiece in the headstock. So we are making the screw tight for making this operation.
Okay. Tailstock
support is used to keep, and the screw is used to tighten the tailstock. The tailstock is movable, headstock is fixed. All of them want to know.
Okay, that workpiece tight.
Then making the tightening of the workpiece by using the screw.
We are setting the workpiece at center.
We are setting the workpiece as a center,
tailstock center line.
Okay.
Table up and down.
We are moving the long tailers, and the table is an up and downward direction. You can able to see the table is moving from the downwards to the upwards. You can able to see the tailstock is slowly touching the gear cutting center point. Okay, listen.
Center point.
You can able to see the center point is touching the tailstock cutting
line.
You can able to see center line it is touching.
Okay. Then table down to workpiece touch.
Now we are hitting the downward of the table. We are making the workpiece to touch on the cutting. So this is long tail movements, and that is upward and downward movement table. So we are making touching on the workpiece. You can able to see by using this rotation we can able to touch depth. Okay, listen. Now the how can able to see workpiece, and the cutter is used to fix touching. Okay, the cutter is fixed, so we can make this for cutting. It's a 0 degree or the initial stage.
Okay, 4 mm 2 revolution. Table
4 mm 2 revolution. You want to give the depth of cut. You can see the table is moving. Okay, now we are giving the depth of cut. The upward and down direction, you can see the movement has been given. 2 revolution.
Okay.
4 mm.
Okay,
locking the lever. Okay.
Then start.
Okay, sir. This is indexing head and indexing plate. So sector arm pin. Okay, it is used to fix the sector arm
sector pin.
Okay, so we are having totally 33 holes for 1 revolution. So we can calculate by using 1 revolution at 27 holes. At 33 circular hole plate. So we can fix this and we can making the operation. So by keeping support, it is used to sector arm.
Start the machine.
Now we are going to start the machine. Okay.
On. First teeth cutting.
You can see the teeth cutting first. The workpiece is moving in a longitudinal base. So the coolant oil is supplied between the workpiece and the cutter for cutting operations. You can able to see the here teeth is cutting.
Okay. Done. One teeth completed. After reverse.
It has been completed. You can use to reverse the teeth. You can see
Next teeth.
next teeth for the same one full revolution and 27 circular plate. We want to keep this indexing pin as a locked one. After that the sequence has been repeated.
Next teeth.
Okay, next teeth has been cutting. You can able to see the coolant oil is applied on the other side of the workpiece, top of the workpiece.
Okay. Another.
Same one revolution for the next cutting also. We want to repeat the sequence on 27 indexing plate and the sequence has been fixed. You can able to see the sequence has been fixed here and the locking checker has been done. We are giving the cutting. Once again this used to cut. This is per gear operation. The oil is used to put on the top of the cutting gear. You can able to visualize it. We should want to supply the coolant oil in the manual only. Now we'll operations.
ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு நான் வெளியில் எடுக்கும்போது
Okay, now we are operations has been completed. You can able to see. Now we are going to remove the workpiece from the headstock.
machine off first. Machine off.
We should want to off the machine first.
Loose the nut
By use the bolt nut.
and loose the tailstock.
Tailstock we are used to. Tailstock is movable, headstock is fixed. All of them want to be understood.
Okay.
We can move the tailstock, but headstock is fixed. So the workpiece has been removed from the tailstock work indexing.
Okay. This gear is per gear. Finish.
This is completed per gear operations. Okay, we can able to see the cutting indexing mechanism by using the 27 indexing hole. We should want to make cutting gear operation. Before for the working piece, we should want to reduce the inner die and outer die and the lathe from the lathe. After that only we should want to keep it in the milling cutting operation. Okay. This is number of teeth 22 per gear mechanism. Okay. All of them you can able to see. Thank you.